Welcome, my friends, to the top 10 rules of Stoicism. Stoicism is not just an ancient philosophy but a timeless guide to living a more fulfilled, peaceful, and resilient life. Today, we'll explore how these principles can transform the way we think, act, and experience the world. So, let's dive deep into the wisdom of the Stoics. 1. Acceptance of the present moment. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of accepting the present moment as it is, without resistance. This means embracing reality in all its forms, whether joyful or painful, without wishing it to be different. By acknowledging and fully experiencing what is happening right now, we cultivate a sense of peace that is unshaken by external circumstances. Acceptance is not passive resignation but an active choice to focus on what truly matters, allowing us to navigate life with grace and clarity. 2. Focus on what is within your control. One of the central tenets of Stoicism is the clear distinction between what is within our control and what is not. Our thoughts, actions, and attitudes are within our domain. Everything else, other people's opinions, the weather, the outcome of events, lies beyond our control. By redirecting our energy towards what we can influence, we liberate ourselves from unnecessary worry and frustration. This shift in focus empowers us to take responsibility for our lives and find contentment, regardless of external circumstances. 3. The power of perspective. Stoicism teaches us that our perception shapes our reality. By questioning our automatic judgments and interpretations, we gain the power to shift our perspective. Imagine facing a challenging situation, perhaps a difficult conversation or a setback at work. Instead of reacting impulsively, a Stoic would pause and reframe the situation, seeing it as an opportunity to grow, to practice patience, or to learn. This ability to view circumstances through a rational and objective lens allows us to respond wisely and maintain inner calm, no matter what life throws our way. 4. Embrace the impermanence of life. Life is fleeting, and everything within it is temporary. The Stoics remind us to embrace this impermanence, not with fear, but with appreciation. When we understand that everything, our possessions, relationships, and even our own lives, will one day pass, we are freed from the illusion of permanence. This awareness encourages us to live fully in the present moment, to cherish our loved ones, and to let go of attachments that do not serve our highest good. By accepting the transient nature of life, we find a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment. 5. Live in accordance with virtue. Virtue is at the heart of Stoicism. To live a virtuous life means to align our actions with the highest moral standards: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These virtues guide us in making decisions that reflect our true values, leading to a life of integrity and purpose. When we prioritize virtue over external success, we discover a deeper sense of fulfillment and inner satisfaction. The Stoics believe that a virtuous life is not only the key to personal happiness but also to contributing positively to the world around us. 6. Remember the power of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to dissatisfaction and negativity. The Stoics encourage us to regularly reflect on the blessings in our lives, big or small. By focusing on what we have, rather than what we lack, we shift our mindset from scarcity to abundance. This practice of gratitude fosters contentment and helps us appreciate the simple pleasures that often go unnoticed. Whether it's the warmth of the sun, the kindness of a friend, or the lessons learned from a difficult experience, gratitude opens our hearts to the richness of life. 7. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is the cornerstone of Stoic practice. It involves the deliberate cultivation of control over our desires, emotions, and impulses. In a world that often encourages indulgence, the Stoic approach of moderation and restraint may seem challenging, yet it is profoundly liberating. By mastering self-discipline, we gain the freedom to choose our actions with wisdom, rather than being driven by fleeting desires or external pressures. This inner strength allows us to stay true to our values, maintain our focus, and achieve long-term goals. 8. Face challenges with resilience. Life is filled with challenges, but Stoicism teaches us to view these obstacles not as setbacks, but as opportunities for growth. Resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity, is cultivated by embracing difficulties with a mindset of learning and growth. When we encounter challenges, instead of being consumed by negativity or despair, we can choose to respond with determination, patience, and grace. Each challenge we face becomes a stepping stone toward greater wisdom and strength, reinforcing our ability to thrive in the face of life's inevitable trials. 9. Practice meditation and reflection. Regular moments of introspection are essential to the Stoic way of life. Meditation and reflection allow us to step back from the busyness of the world and connect with our inner selves. Through practices such as journaling or contemplative meditation, we can gain clarity, cultivate self-awareness, and nurture our inner peace. These moments of reflection help us align our actions with our values, understand our emotions, and make thoughtful decisions that contribute to our overall well-being. In a fast-paced world, these practices are a sanctuary for the mind and soul. 10. Embrace the unity of humanity. Stoicism reminds us that we are all part of a larger whole, interconnected in the web of humanity. By recognizing our shared human experience, we cultivate empathy, compassion, and a sense of responsibility toward others. This principle encourages us to see beyond our individual concerns and contribute to the well-being of society. When we embrace the unity of humanity, we foster harmonious relationships, promote justice, and work toward a more compassionate and equitable world. In this way, Stoicism not only guides our personal growth but also inspires us to make a positive impact on the lives of others. And there you have it, my friends, the top 10 rules of Stoicism, each a beacon of wisdom guiding us toward a life of fulfillment, resilience, and inner peace. Remember, Stoicism is not about suppressing emotions but about cultivating the strength and wisdom to navigate life's ups and downs with grace. Let us embrace these principles and embark on a journey toward a more meaningful and resilient life.